India brings a variety and rich cultural heritage that makes it a unique destination for an explorer. Located in the Bay of Bengal and a union territory of India comprising 325 islands, this is one of the rare places on earth where fishes live their full life and die naturally. A home to four Negrito tribes and a painful history of Kalamani, its Andaman Island, emerald, blue, and in the year 1789, Britishers first discovered the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, but due to the natural calamities, they left the island by 1796. It was after the First War of Indian Independence in 1857 the Britishers thought of a place to isolate Indian political prisoners and freedom fighters who survived the war and systematic elimination carried out. The first batch of 200 prisoners were brought into Andaman under the control of jailer David Parry and Major James Pattison Walker. By late 19th century, as the independent movement picked up, it became necessary for the British to build a high security prison. The concept of cellular jail thus came into picture. The cellular jail, situated in South Andaman, is an Indian national monument as declared by Prime Minister Morarji Desai on February 11, 1979. Today, it stands as a symbol of freedom struggle of political prisoners and freedom fighters of British India. The construction of this institution of torture and solitary confinement for life started in the year 1896 and was completed by 1906. The building was a puce-colored one, with the bricks for the construction being brought from Burma. The construction was undertaken by the detainees themselves, under supervision of British. It cost around rupees 5.17 lakh then. In early 1940s, during the Japanese occupation, two wings of jail were demolished. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose visited the island and hosted the flag of independent India on December 29, 1943. In 1945, the Britishers recaptured the island. When India got freedom, the island was retained back by India and was declared as a union territory. Two more were pulled down after independence. To know the detailed history of Andaman, do not miss the Light and Sound show at Cellular Jail. Irrespective of the past, Andamans has a lot of other attractions for the travelers. Joggers Park is a peaceful place to relax. It is the highest point near VIP Road in Port Blair. Gives you a view of the Veer Savarkar International Airport runway, so you can watch the world go by. This is Port Blair's only beach, located within the city just 8 kilometers away. It offers amazing views during sunset. Also offers water sports activities like jet ski, banana boat, speedboat, parasailing, etc. Sun loungers are available at nominal payment. While driving from Port Blair city, on the way, enjoy the Tiranga flag point with live band in evenings, as well as the most scenic coastal road of Andaman. A small yet enthralling museum that offers closer look into the lives of the tribals, original natives of these islands. Some of them are native since last 50,000 years. The museum has a great collection of artifacts, stories, and information. Samudrika Naval Marine Museum is situated near the Andaman Teal House. Designed to create awareness on various aspects of oceanic environment, the museum is run by Indian Navy. This museum aims to generate awareness about the environment in the ocean and the marine life. Rajiv Gandhi Water Sports Complex, commonly known as just Water Sports Complex, is one of the most easily accessible tourist attraction in Port Blair, loved by both tourists and local alike. Similar to most of the attractions in Andaman, the water complex now serves a memorial for the battle between the Andamanis and the British in 1859, popularly known as the Battle of Aberdeen. Spanning around an area of 2 kilometers, This complex was built as a park for walking, relaxation, and water sports. This can be easily reached by taking the stairs down from Cellular Jail. The most famous market of Andaman Islands, where you would find the wide range of souvenirs, seashell products, pearl jewelry, and even fruits and vegetables. And everything that this island has to offer is Aberdeen Bazaar. It is the most famous market which is brimmed with the locals and tourists alike. For food, you have a variety of options for both vegetarian and non-vegetarian.